past.
Good morning to one and all present here. We are Riddhima, Kaur and Kashyap. Today presenting our topic is Smart KPIs, AI-driven performance, dashboards in modern forms. So let's talk about what Smart KPIs are.
So in today's digital era, businesses are shifting from traditional performance measurement to AI-powered smart systems that help in better decision making. So what are Smart KPIs? Smart KPIs stand for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound indicators. They are measurable performance metrics that help organizations to track performance towards goals, improve performances, and make better decisions. Unlike traditional KPIs, Smart KPIs are more focused, clear, and result-oriented. Transition of KPIs. Earlier, KPIs were static and historical, meaning that they only showed past performance. But now, with digital transformation, KPIs are real-time and dynamic. They are AI-driven, predictive, and adaptive. So, the shift is from measurement to prediction and to optimization. So, dashboards are visual representation of business data. They help in real-time monitoring, quick decision-making, and acting as a central control system. So instead of checking reports occasionally, managers can now track everything live. Roles of an AI in Smart KPI. Artificial intelligence enhances KPI by predicting future trends and automating processes, improving accuracy. So different roles in dashboards are HR manager, employee analytics, sales manager, sales forecast and dashboard, CEO, strategy focus.
Smart KPIs would not have been easy to explain without these such platforms like Zoho People. What actually Zoho People is? Zoho People talks about the HRM platforms. It helps us to track track employees' records, how their attendance rate is, employee productivity, and employment engagement scores. What actually Zoho People is? Zoho People transforms HR control into real-time, AI-driven dashboard where performance is continuously monitored and optimized. So, it helps us to detect burnout trends from attendance and productivity, flags high activation risk departments, and suggests HR interventions in real time. The another very earlier example is that almost every people know is Salesforce Einstein Analytics. What actually it is? It is using AI tools when AI was not even into the list and technology. It helps us, for recent examples, we have always read about what SWOT is. So SWOT is about strengths, weakness, opportunity and threats. So is the Salesforce Einstein Analytics for introducing company sales growth revenue, lead conversion rate and customer retention rate. Salesforce Analytics turns sales data into predictive intelligence, enabling firms to control performance proactively rather than reactively. So this is how the sales Einstein record shows that how the ESG and aligned portfolios are paperless transaction and community investments. It helps us to identify where our firm, company or organization is standing out in the market. Let's introduce you to smart KPIs and control techniques. It helps us in continuous monitoring, automated corrections, proactive decision making and real-time dashboard integrations. What actually continuous monitoring talks about? It talks about the real-time tracking of performance and replaces periodic evaluation of systems. Then we need to learn about automated corrections. It inspects how I suggest corrective actions instantly and reduces manual intervention. It makes our work smoother. Proactive decision making. AI has been already replacing human. So it helps us in taking active decision makings and helps us to manage to take decisions in advance according to the SWOT. Real-time dashboard integrations, KPIs connected with live dashboards, centralized control systems helps us to track people and create evidence and authentication. What are the benefits and challenges of smart KPIs? Everything has a positive and a negative impact. So the benefits are faster decision making, improved accuracy, enhanced organizational control, and increased efficiency. Whereas the challenges faced by smart KPIs are Data privacy concerns, high implementation costs, dependence on technology, and need for skilled workforce. So, thank you. But I would like to conclude that it would not be possible until and unless, because it is only possible because AI is being monitored, so it needs to be measured. So that's why we need smart KPIs, that is AI-powered smart KPIs are transforming dashboards into real-time control systems, driving fully automated and data-driven decision-making in modern firms. Thank you.